Who often has difficulty in explaining the material when teaching? Who often complains because students do not understand the material we explain? I'm sure you must have experienced this problem. Hello everyone, I'm Lucia Sensiana, an English education student at STKIP Jombang. Here, I will explain the theory of education that makes it easier for students to understand. One of the learning theories that can facilitate student understanding is to use Kolb's experiential theory. This theory was created by David Kolb, born in 1939 in America. He is the founder and chairman of Experience-Based Learning System, or EBLS, and a professor of organizational behavior at the Whitehead School of Management at Case Western Reserve University, Cleveland, Ohio. Nowadays, students are lazy to study and only rely on Google, cheating, and others to find answers. Students cannot develop and be more advanced if the situation is left unchecked. Not many know that experience can also increase students' knowledge. Kolb's theory is conserved learning style or cognitive process that occur for someone to learn something from experience. So today I will explain the first stage of Kolb learning theory, namely concrete experience, abstract concept to creation, reflective observation, and active experimentation. The first step in the Kolb learning cycle is to have a concrete experience. Each student participates in an activity or complete a task as a part of concrete experience. According to Kolb 18 and 84, participation is the most important factor in learning. When it comes to learning about something, reading about it or watching it in action is not enough. Here, students must learn through feeling, emphasizing aspects of experience, be more concerned with relationship with others, and be sensitive to the feeling of others. After finding a new experience, students learn through observation or reflective observation in the next stage. Reflective observation views that students will increasingly be able to observe that event they experience actively. According to David Kolb in Nature 2005, 111 students are encouraged to reflect on their experiences from multiple perspectives and factors purposefully. Students begin to try to find answers to the incident and understand the incident by developing questions about how it happened. After making observation from experience found, the next stage is for students to learn through thinking or abstract conceptualization. Abstract conceptualization is a learning event in which students have begun to attempt to make abstraction and develop a theory, concept, or law and procedure about something that is object of their attention from their experience. In this stage, students learn through thinking and are more focused on logical analysis of ideas, systematic planning, and intellectual understanding of the situation or case to understand the event that have occurred so far. According to the book The Learning Style Inventory 1976, at this stage students are also expected to be able to make general rules from various examples of events that, although different, have the same foundation. After they learn through thinking, the last stage is study learning through action or active experimentation. Active experimentation is the stage of learning hypothesis and action in carrying out tasks. This cycle step is known as the testing phase. According to Kolb, D.A. and Fry, R. 1975, at this stage students can apply concept theories or rules to real situations. Students no longer question the origin of a theory or a formula. Still, students can use theory or this formula to solve the problem they face, which have never been encountered before. Learning is a process whereby knowledge is created through experience transformation. In conclusion, Kolb theory describes learning combining experience, observation, thought, and action. I said at the beginning of my speech that the Kolb theory could be used to help improve student understanding of the learning process. The theory has 4 stages: concrete experience, abstract conceptualization, reflexive observation, and active experimentation. So, we know that Kolb theory can be used to help facilitate student understanding in learning. There is no reason to find it difficult to encourage and develop creative thinking process because participatory learners find something through the 4 stages of Kolb theory. So it is my speech. Thanks for your attention, guys.